This is a quick overview comparing the newer style flat panel interactive boards with our current Smart Brand interactive whiteboards. Our current boards can connect to a variety of computers, including Weiss machines, Chromeboxes, and any standard Windows laptop. Likewise, the new flat panels also connect to those same devices. And since they have multiple inputs, they can actually be connected to more than one device at the same time, allowing the user to toggle between different inputs. For example, it's possible to have the flat panel function as both a Chromebook and a Windows machine, switching between the two computers with a touch of a button. Smart Notebook software works on both types of boards, so long as there is a Windows device, such as a Weiss machine or a Dell laptop, attached to the board or panel. Our current boards use a 4:3 length to height ratio, while all the new boards use 16:9 length to height ratio, much like the TV at your house. Flat panels typically use 4K resolution, which will give a much clearer picture than we get with our current boards. To write on the flat panels, a teacher can either use the provided pen or just a finger. Flat panels also allow for two-way screen sharing in ways that we don't have available now, and they share with Chromebooks as well as other devices. The new panels can distinguish between a finger for drawing or writing and a palm, which can be used as an eraser. Tracking and clarity of handwriting is much improved with the new flat panels. And finally, the new panels can be either wall-mounted or on a mobile stand. So just to summarize, our current boards use the 4:3 ratio in shape. They tolerate only one interaction at a time. They use the ceiling-mounted projectors and bulbs. They always need a computer attached to be interactive. They have somewhat limited clarity and brightness. They can work with either Chromebox, Weiss machine, or a Dell laptop. And they can be cumbersome to display student video on our current boards. The interactive flat panels use the 16:9 ratio in shape. They can interact with multiple touch points at once. They don't need the projectors and bulbs. They have improved clarity and brightness. They can connect to a computer or multiple computers, but they also function by themselves since they have their own software installed. They can be used with either Chromebox, Weiss machine, or a Dell laptop. They allow students to cast their video to the panel with teacher permission. And teacher annotations on the panel can also appear on student Chromebooks in real time. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please see your local ITRT.